Hey, what's up out there? It's your boy from Brooklyn, Shannon Ambrosio, and Chef Shannon Ambrosio. Listen, I finished the window bench seat here. Try to drag it up the driveway, up the steps, everything by myself. I'm a little sweaty, but I had to get it all strapped to the hand truck there. So the window bench seat is finally complete, 100% complete. All butcher block, it's been stained, it's been finished, it's ready to go, it's ready for the install. Right there, folks. That's where it's going. That's where it's going to live. As you can see, the rest of the built-ins, they're done already. As you can see, that's one side right there. Boom, got the wine rack right there. Have the libations. But I milled all the lumber here and did both sides of the built-ins. They're finished. It's just a matter of getting the bench seat to go where it needs to go, which is right there, folks. All right, all right, all right. And that's the bench seat. That's what's going in there.